Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create QuickBooks Online customer from LinkedIn leads. So I'm running my B2B business and now I'm generating leads through LinkedIn lead ads. Now here what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new LinkedIn lead, then automatically by capturing all the detail of my lead, I want to use these lead detail and I want to add these detail automatically in my QuickBooks account. So for that what I need to do is I need to create a new customer in QuickBooks with all the detail of my lead that I'm going to receive from LinkedIn lead ads. So here for my objective, I have to build a connection between LinkedIn lead ads and QuickBooks. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new lead generated through LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically that lead detail will be added as a customer in QuickBooks. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create QuickBooks Online customer from LinkedIn leads. So when generating leads from LinkedIn, especially in a B2B context, it's crucial to have an efficient system in place for managing these leads and converting them into customers. So by automatically creating QuickBooks Online customers from LinkedIn leads, you can streamline your sales and accounting processes. So for example, suppose I have a service-based business that frequently requires new clients through LinkedIn, and this integration ensures that as soon as a lead is captured, their information is automatically added to QuickBooks Online, and this allows me to quickly generate invoices, track payments, and manage my financials without manual data entry. So in this video, I will show you how to set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, and this will help me save time, reduce errors, and focus on growing my business. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply connect LinkedIn leads with QuickBooks Online, and as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn leads, then automatically that lead will be added as a new customer in QuickBooks Online. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create QuickBooks Online customer from LinkedIn leads. Now what I need to do is I need to click on create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we need to first set up our trigger, and here my trigger application is going to be LinkedIn leads. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select LinkedIn lead generation forms. So here this is going to be my trigger application, and now I need to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead generation form response will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect LinkedIn lead generation forms with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to click on connect with LinkedIn lead generation forms. And as I have already logged into my LinkedIn lead account, so it has detected that and it has connected LinkedIn lead generation form with Pabbly Connect. So here I have successfully connected these two applications. Now here what I need to do is I need to first select my account and the lead form. So here for my account and the lead form, I need to take you to my LinkedIn lead account. And here this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager, where I'm using this account of Naveen Kolhe, and I have all these forms. So these are my sample form, and I'm not running any ad campaign right now on my LinkedIn account. But if you are running your ad campaign on LinkedIn, then you can use those LinkedIn forms and you can select that in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my account, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the accounts that I have in my LinkedIn lead ad accounts. And here I'm going to use this account of Naveen Kolhe. So I'm going to select this, and you can use any particular account that you want to use. Also here I have to select my lead form. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the forms that I have in my LinkedIn lead ads account. And I'm going to use this form of sample lead gen form. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to first create a new lead by filling out my sample form, which is not live as I'm not running any ad campaign on my LinkedIn account. So I'm just going to create a sample submission so that I can get the lead detail here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to my LinkedIn lead ads account. And here I'm going to open this form. Now here it has taken me to my sample ad campaign, and here this ad campaign is not live. So this is just for testing. Now here for filling out my form, I need to click on apply now. And here we can see it has opened my form. So as this is going to generate a test lead, so the first name, last name and the company name is already filled. I just have to give the email address and the phone number. So I'm going to fill these details. So here my email address will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And here the first name will be Pabbly, last name will be Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company name is going to be Magnet Brains. So here I have filled all the required details, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on submit to generate this test lead. So I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form and I have generated this lead. Now the information of my lead has been sent to Pabbly. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And I have generated the test lead and I have used my test ad campaign that is not live yet. But if you have a live ad campaign, then you can select that and it is going to work the same, and you are going to get the responses of all your leads here in Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have my form name, that is sample lead gen form. Also here I have the email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. Also here I have received the random phone number of my lead. I have the first name, that is Pabbly. I also have the last name, that is Subscription Billing Management Service. I have my company name, that is Magnet Brains. So here we can see I have received all the detail of my lead that I have generated by using my lead form in LinkedIn lead ads, and automatically as I have submitted that form, I have received this detail here in Pabbly Connect. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response, and within the next 10 minutes, you're going to receive this response from LinkedIn lead generation forms. So this 10 minutes are the polling time of LinkedIn lead generation forms. And now what is going to happen is that in every 10 minutes, it is going to start capturing the new responses. And in this 10 minutes, if we are going to receive any lead from LinkedIn lead generation forms, then automatically that lead response will be sent to Pabbly Connect. And we are going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now here I have received all the detail of my lead. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these detail of my lead, and I want to use these detail to automatically add these detail in my QuickBooks Online account. So for that, I need to use all these detail to create a new customer in QuickBooks. So I'm going to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this. And here my action application is going to be QuickBooks. So I'm going to search for that. And here I'm going to select QuickBooks Online. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I want to create a customer. So I'm going to select create a customer as my action event. Now I need to connect QuickBooks Online with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And I need to connect with QuickBooks Online. And here I have successfully connected QuickBooks Online with Pabbly Connect, as I have already logged into my account of QuickBooks in my browser. So it has detected that. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for creating a new customer, I need to fill all these details. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the specific detail that I'm receiving as a response from my LinkedIn lead generation form. And I'm going to use that responses to create a new customer in QuickBooks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map that lead response here in these tab. And for that, I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. And here I'm going to first map the display name that I want to give for my lead. So here I'm going to map the full name of my lead. And now I'm going to open this response of LinkedIn lead generation forms. And here I'm going to first search for the first name of my lead. So here this is the first name, that is Pabbly. I'm going to give a space and I'm going to map the last name. So here the last name is Subscription Billing Management Service. Also here I have to give the first name. So I'm going to again map the first name. I'm going to open this response of LinkedIn lead generation forms. And here this is the first name, that is Pabbly. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. Now here I need to give the phone number. So here this is the phone number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. And I'm going to map the email address. Also I have this tab of company name. So here I'm going to map the company name. So this is the company name of my lead, that is Magnet Brains. So I'm going to map this. And here I have mapped all the required detail of my lead that I have received from my LinkedIn lead generation form. And here I have mapped all those detail of my lead. So as I have mapped these detail, I have made these detail dynamic. And now as I'm going to receive a new lead detail from my LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically all these details that I mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. Now I have all these other tabs too, but I'm not receiving all these details and these are not the required details. So I'm not going to fill any of these details. I'm just going to leave these blank and I'm going to scroll down. And now I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have created a new customer automatically in QuickBooks Online with the detail of my lead that I have received from LinkedIn Leads ad. So to check this, let me take you to QuickBooks Online. And here in QuickBooks, I'm going to go to Customers and Leads. And here in Customers, we can see I have created this new customer that is named as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. I have the company name, that is Magnet Brains. Also, I have this random phone number of my lead. So here we can see automatically by using all the detail of my lead that I have received from my LinkedIn Lead Ads account. And as I have used those details, then automatically by using those details, I have created a new customer in QuickBooks Online. So here I have successfully added my lead detail from LinkedIn Leads to QuickBooks Online. So here we can see that I have successfully created this automation between LinkedIn Leads and QuickBooks. And now as I'm going to receive a new lead from my LinkedIn Lead Ads account, then automatically that lead will be added in my QuickBooks account as a customer. So here I've successfully created this lead as a customer in QuickBooks and I have successfully created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully created this automation and this connection between LinkedIn Leads generation forms and QuickBooks Online to automatically create QuickBooks Online customer from LinkedIn Leads. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was LinkedIn lead generation forms and my trigger event was new lead generation form response. Then I've set up my actions tab and my action application was QuickBooks Online and my action event was create a customer. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.